Hey Movebubblers, it's Kendall and welcome back to our channel. On today's video, we're going to be talking about what insurance you should get as a renter. So without further ado, let's get straight to the video. Landlords often have to cover themselves with insurance before renting out a home. This is something called a landlord's insurance, which is there to cover and protect the building itself. But fortunately, as a renter, you don't need a range of different insurance options in order to rent your dream home. However, if you do want a little bit more peace of mind and you would like to protect some of your items in your home and perhaps make the tenancy a little bit smoother, then there are a number of different insurance options that you can look at. So in this video, we're going to look at the different insurance options and how to find the best cover. There are two types of primary insurance options for renters. The first one being contents insurance and the second one being liability cover. Both of these serve different functions. However, contents insurance is the most popular option of the two. So what is contents insurance? Well, you may not own your own home, but I guarantee you own some stuff. And with the world being what it is today, we all tend to own some pretty expensive items such as Macs, TVs, jewelry, watches, etc. So what happens if one day those items are either stolen or damaged? Well, then you have a problem. And that's where contents insurance comes into play. Contents insurance protects your belongings in case of a break-in and those items are stolen. It also protects against accidental damage such as a fire or any other unexpected event that takes place in your home. And what does liability cover? Well, liability cover protects the items that the landlord may have in your home. So if you are moving into an apartment which is already furnished, liability cover will protect those items. The great thing about liability cover is that you're essentially covered against any item that the landlord provides for you during the tenancy. Liability cover gives you peace of mind, especially when trying to get your security deposit back. It only, however, comes into effect if something is your fault. So if it is a natural wear and tear situation or something has broken and you are not to blame, then it is the responsibility of the landlord to sort that issue out. Do you need building insurance? Well, when a landlord rents out a property, they need to get something called landlord's insurance, which is otherwise known as building insurance. Building insurance covers the outside of the property as well as any fittings or fixtures within the apartment, such as kitchen worktops, built-in wardrobes, and bathtubs. And the list goes on. Because it is the responsibility of the landlord to get the building insurance, you, the tenant, do not have to worry about this. However, I would recommend that you find out whether or not the landlord does have building insurance in place before you move into the property and during the tenancy. So how much does insurance cost? Well, renter insurance varies depending on the size of the property you live in and the value of your personal belongings. Contents insurance on average costs about £139 a year and can cover you up to £50,000 worth of personal items, and then liability covers an average of £120 a year. Of course, each insurer varies depending on the product that they offer, so I would check to find out what you are covered for with each insurance company. If you decide to get liability cover and contents insurance combined, then you can expect to pay a reduced amount than if you were to get them separately. So how do you find insurance? Well, using a comparison website is one way to find your insurance cover needs. So from Go Compare to Money Supermarket, you can literally find a range of insurance options online. You just have to do the research. I would also make sure to check with the insurers directly because not all companies advertise on comparison websites like Direct Line or Aviva. So I would do plenty of research as there are so many options out there, from comparison websites to dealing with the insurer directly. It's important that you understand exactly what you are covered for so that you can have peace of mind when living and moving into a new home. Should you cover yourself? Well, if you want extra peace of mind, then you should definitely cover yourself with the relevant insurance. Homeowners cover their personal belongings, and it should be no different for renters. You too have personal, sentimental items that are worth financial value, so it's definitely worth looking into it. And if you are looking into a fully furnished property, then you might want to look into liability cover. As mentioned before, renters aren't obliged to get any form of insurance when in a rental property. However, that doesn't mean you can't protect yourself. This will guarantee that your personal belongings, as well as the landlord's, will be protected at all times. Protecting yourself will ensure that you will live a stress-free tenancy and hopefully enjoy your new place with ease. That's it from me. I hope that you guys enjoyed today's video. If you are looking for new properties, then don't forget to head onto the Movebubble app where you can get some wonderful property walkthroughs and plenty of renting information. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel if you enjoyed today's video, and let us know your thoughts in the comment section below. Otherwise, that's it from me. I hope you all have a beautiful day, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye.